Jen. Armed with a big pain, a lot of desperation, and her backpack, join Jen on the journey to find her maybe superpower.
You were signalling left.
No, no, mate, you could see me coming. So
you were signalling left and you pulled round.
That's... You can still see what I was doing though. So
but your signal said left.
Yes, but you can still see what I was doing.
But your signal said left.
It's a bit of both.
It's not a bit of both. You're signalling left and you turned right. Unbelievable.
Oh, we're past there, mate. Aye. Mate, you shouldn't be parked there. It's a cycle path and a footpath. And you've driven on the pavement.
Start on tax and insurance and dates on your bike, I'll give you full respect.
Mate, well, it don't matter. You don't pay for tax on the pavement. And actually, I do have a car. I have more than one car, and I do pay more than one insurance and one tax. So you've driven on the pavement, you parked on the pavement, and you're blocking the footpath.
I'm looking at a lovely monument.
Yeah, well, I agree with that, mate. Do you know what I mean? That's not a bother. But what I'm saying is, you are parked on a...
Nice, and it's a Christian sign, which is beautiful.
Yeah. Well, you're not very Christian, are you? You don't care about my safety or anybody else's safety by parking on that. Huh?
I'm more Christian than you.
Well, how's that then? You haven't got to care for any other human being. This is a footpath and a cycle path.
Nationality is
That's all.
a lot longer than yours.
Mate,
So there,
Is that right? My father was born in Nutridica, my mother was born in Blaina, so I've got as much Welsh blood flowing through my veins as I have yours. So you're talking shit, ain't you?
Don't swear at me, please.
Well, that's alright. You can take your 3 points and your 60 quid fine, because I'll report you.
Good for you,
Yeah, and you can't deny it, because there's your face, clear as day on camera.
My name is Di K. Salibra.
Die, good Welsh name as well. Yeah.
I don't know what you can do.
Say linking and actually you're 40% of those. So it's like, okay, great. So you could just wangle it to be anyone you want.
Probably with Amazon, I don't know, they are probably a massive share, but if they were able to argue, oh, we're not 33% of all online sellers, they'll probably be able to go, but you're more than that in book sales,
well, yeah, exactly.
You're more than that in shoe sales or some random thing.
They can narrow or expand the categories to be convenient to themselves. So this isn't even a hard thing. But anyway, non-compliance with investigations can result in a fine of 1% of global revenues on companies, which is around 20 grand or something per day for non-compliance for individuals. Right, so 1% of, if you're a company, it's 1% of your global revenue, but if you're an individual, £15,000 a day
miles.
for non-compliance.
Turn
So
left.
you basically have to either do this or pull out. Right? They're not gonna allow you to continue. And so Elon Musk basically
Video protected.
attention. This is how I found it.